So we are at ThinkSmart's factory. This is our area where we manufacture the panel, which is the start of a television. This is the back plate of the LCD. This is how it looks from outside, from the back. Then we have these panels, which is bought from LG. After putting in these backplane, we put the reflector sheets. These are the reflector sheets which will be inserted and laid upon these backplane. After that, we will be getting the LG panels ready. This is the LG panel which we have purchased from LG, and this is how they are getting it ready and installing them on the backplane. We are connecting these two boards. This is when they put the bezels on top of the LG panel. And then this will be a final product. The backplane with the LG panel and the bezel, as well as all the diffusion and reflector sheets inside. So this is basically our factory assembly area for LED panels.